Hi, this is Michael Ho. In this segment, you will learn how to do a quick preliminary setup. The setup at this stage does not have to be comprehensive, but should have sufficient detail to treatment plan, cost, and present your case. Supplementary note, this video is designed to run quickly for efficiency of delivery. But remember that you can replay and pause as often as you please. Arguably, case presentation is the most important stage of your treatment delivery. If you failed here, your treatment has failed even before getting off the ground. Some finesse in the case presentation and judicious use of the software goes a long way to gaining patients' confidence and case acceptance.